Good morning, students. Today we'll see lesson number 5, The Violet, page number 14. So before I read out this poem for you, I would like to give you some informations about this poem, or I'll give you the details, or it can be a summary of this poem. The poem Violet by Jane Taylor opens with the verse, "Down in a green shady bed, where the speaker spots the modest violet, as if it is trying to hide its bent stalk and head hung low." The speaker feels that with its beauty and charm, it could be a part of a rosy bower flaunting its beauty. Yet it chooses to spread its perfume in that silent shade. The speaker is touched by the modesty of such a beautiful flower and decides to go to the valley to see the violets and learn the lessons of humility from them, making this world a sweet world. Through this poem, Jane Taylor wants to emphasize the needs of being humble and polite. The man should learn modesty and contentment from violets that, despite their dazzling beauty, are content in their humble belonging and making this world lovable. So from here we learned two qualities. Okay, what are those two qualities? Just look at here. The poet emphasized the need of becoming humble and polite. So this is what we learn from this poem. Let us read the poem now. Down in a green and shady bed, a modest violet grew. Its stalk was bent. It hung its head as if to hide from view. And yet it was a lovely flower, no colors, bright and fair. It might have graced a rosy bower instead of hiding there. Yet there was a content to bloom in modest thin's array, and there diffused its sweet perfume within the silent shade. Then let me to the valley go, this pretty flower to see, that I may also learn to grow in sweet humility. So let's see the poem once more. Down in a green, shady bed, a modest violet grew. So where this flower is growing, we can see here, down in a green and shady bed, a modest violet grew. And how its stalk was, you see, the stalk was bent, and therefore it hungs its head. Why? Just to avoid being seen by the other people. And yet it was a lovely flower, no colors, bright and fair. It might have graced a rosy bower instead of hiding there. So despite having sweet smell, it was trying to hide its beauty. Yet there it was content to bloom in modest tints array, and there diffused its sweet perfume with the silent shade. And this flower was going on giving its smell, sweet smell, without letting others know about it. Let me to the valley go. And here we see, that when the poet comes to know about this one, he says, let me go to the valley. And here he wishes to go to the valley to see this beautiful flower, this pretty flower, to see that I may also learn to grow in sweet humility. Why is the poet trying to go there? Just because he wants to learn the quality of becoming a humble. Let's see once more. Humble and polite. This is what I have written for you. So these are the two qualities that the poet wants to learn from the flower violet: humble and politeness. Now let us see the questions. Comprehension. Question number A. Write whether these statements are true or false. Please do it on your own. Question number B. Answer the following questions. So 4 questions are there. Please try to write this answer also. But then I'll give you this answer, and then you just match your answer whether yours answer and mine are almost similar or not. You just have to see whether those ideas, the ideas which I'm going to give and yours are almost same or not. Question number C and D, you can do it on your own. If you have any kind of difficulties with regards to this lesson, you may ask me. Thank you so much.